wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ayu Fitri Arahma. I am from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. Now I am going to explain one of the basic material in the series and parallel circuit. Please like and comment this video and subscribe for support this channel. So I hope you enjoy and like this video. Keep on watching. In this tutorial, we will first discuss the difference between series circuits and parallel circuit, using circuit containing the most basic of component, resistor and batteries, to show the difference between the two configurations. We will then explore what happens in series and parallel circuits when you combine different types of components, such as capacitors and inductors. So what's node and current flow? Before we get too deep into this, we need to mention what a node is. It's nothing fancy, just the electrical junction between two or more components. When a circuit is modeled on schematic, the nodes are the wires between components. This is example schematic with 4 different color nodes. That help the better toward understanding the difference between series and parallel. We also need to understand how current flow through a circuit. Current flow from a high voltage to a lower voltage in a circuit. Some amount of current will flow through every path. It can take to get to the point of lowest voltage, usually called ground. Using the above circuit as an example, here's how current will flow as it runs from the battery's positive terminal to the negative. This picture explains current, indicated by the blue, orange, and red lines, flowing to the same example circuit as above. Different currents are indicated by different colors. Notice that in some nodes, like between R1 and R2, the current is the same going in as it is coming out. At other nodes, specifically the three-way junction between R2, R3, and R4, the main blue current splits into 2 different ones, and that's the key difference between series and parallel. So what is an electric circuit? In order for electrons to flow, they need a closed circuit, and an electric circuit provides a complete closed path for electricity. The part of a circuit of a load or resistance, wires and switch. The source of energy can be a battery, thermocouple, photocell, or an electric generator. The load is the part of the circuit that uses the power. The load of the circuit always offers some resistance to the flow of electrons. As a result, energy is converted into heat, light, or mechanical energy. The switch is an electric circuit is used to prevent the flow of electrons. This is called an open circuit. There are 2 types of electric circuits, the series and parallel circuits. So what is series circuits? Series circuit define 2 components are in series if they share a common node and if the same current flow through them. Here's an example circuit with 3 series resistors. Here we have 3 resistors, labeled R1, R2, and R3, connected in a long chain from one terminal of the battery to the other. It should be noted that the subscript labeling those little numbers to the lower right of the letter R are unrelated to the resistor values in ohms. They serve only to identify one resistor from another. The defining characteristic of a series circuit is that there is only one path for current to flow. In this series circuit, the current flow in a clockwise direction from point 1 to point 2 to point 3 to point 4 and back around to 1. Because in series circuit, there's only one way for the current to flow in the above circuits, starting from the positive terminal of the battery. Current flow will first encounter R1. From there, current will flow straight to R2 R3, and finally back to the negative terminal of the battery. Note that there is only one path for current to follow. These components are in series. So what is series connection? The basic idea of a series connection is that components are connected end to end in a line to form a single path through which current can flow. And then what is parallel circuits? Parallel circuits define if components share two common nodes, they are in parallel. Here's an example schematic of three resistors in parallel with a battery. From the positive battery terminal, current flows to R1 and R2 and R3. The node that connects the battery to R1 is also connected to the other resistor. The other ends of this resistor are similarly tied together and then tied back to the negative terminal of the battery. And there are three distinct paths that current can take before returning to the battery, and the associated are said to be in parallel. Where series components all have equal current running through them, parallel components all have the same voltage drop across them. If series is current, parallel is voltage. What is a parallel connection? The basic idea of a parallel connection, on the other hand, is that all components are connected across each other lengths. In a purely parallel circuit, there are never more than two sets of electrically common points. No matter how many components are connected, there are many paths for current flow, but only one voltage across all components. And the last but not least, how series and parallel circuits working together. The node splits and current can go to both R2 and R3. The current path to R2 and R3 are then tied together again, and current goes back to the negative terminal of the battery. In this example, R2 and R3 are in parallel with each other. And that's all the explanation of series and parallel circuits in generally. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.